With the House's bill filing deadline this week and crossover next week, we saw a flurry of bill proposals and committee activity. There's also speculation that the Senate's budget will be up for a floor vote the week of May 15th. Of course, we'll keep you posted every step of the way. But in the meantime, here's some updates on a few of the bills we've been tracking. House Bill 605, the School Threat Assessment Teams Act. This is a multi-pronged approach to addressing school safety via the implementation of peer-to-peer support groups in partnership with the Center for Safer Schools. We'd see the creation of a threat assessment and intervention tools for students whose behavior could jeopardize school safety or their own safety. The bill also requires the placement of school crisis kits in each school, among many other measures. House Bill 605 passed the House Education K-12 Committee Tuesday, April 25th, and the bill will now head to the Rules Committee. House Bill 644, the Social Media Algorithmic Control and IT Act. This is a bill, y'all, that is championed by UNC Chapel Hill students seeking to make social media less addictive, in part by preventing social media companies from using minors' data and algorithms in hopes of making the apps less potentially harmful. House Bill 644 was heard in the House Judiciary 3 Committee Tuesday of this week. It received a favorable report and will now head to the House Appropriations Committee. We also saw the filing of House Bill 844, School Meals for All Act. This is a bill with a $172 million recurring appropriation to provide free breakfast and lunch to all students in public schools. The bill was filed Monday, April 24th, and has since been assigned to the House Rules Committee. House Bill 855, Strengthening Care for Families and Children. This bipartisan bill with a $1 billion price tag focuses on addressing various aspects contributing to the child mental health crisis. A few notable items include $40 million to expand school-based behavioral health services, including professional development, technical assistance, screening and evaluation, and services for teachers, providers, and families to strengthen mental health supports for students. It also has an $8 million line item in it to expand wraparound services for families of children with high behavioral health needs. $16 million for increased access to community, residential, and inpatient behavioral health treatment options. $11 million to launch local assessment teams for children with behavioral health needs and connect them with specialized clinicians. It also has $21 million for mobile units to assist children experiencing behavioral health issues. The bill was filed Tuesday, April 25th, after a press conference with the bill's primary sponsor on both sides of the aisle in attendance. We also saw House Bill 876, Reduce Parent Copays, Child Care Subsidies Fund. With only Democrat sponsors, this legislative proposal would reduce the amount of subsidized child care parental copayments. The bill was filed Tuesday, April 25th, and passed its first reading Wednesday. The bill will now head to the House Rules Committee. Then there's Senate Bill 722, Child Care Flexibilities. This piece of possible legislation would require the creation and implementation of Child Development Associate Credential criteria to meet requirements of the Child Care Star Rating System. Senate Bill 722 passed the Senate Rules and Operations Committee Tuesday and will now head to the Senate floor. All right, y'all. As always, You can check out our live bill tracker anytime to get updates on these and many other bills that we're monitoring. It's on our website, and it will also be linked in the legislative update email. Thank you so much for what you do for kids and families. And remember, make it a great one, y'all.